Hello my people and welcome. So now the things wey I wan make you note be this. When you dey talk about binomial theorem, this particular list of things I wan talk about na something wey you must make sure say e happen for you to call am binomial. For you to call am binomial, one thing you must pay attention to be say they must get two terms. They must have two terms. For you to call am binomial, e must get two terms. Like what I mean be say you must get two terms, like as I tell you, a plus b. This one na im be first term, this one na im be second term. You must get am. Remember say wetin dey separate first and second term na either plus or minus. So for you to call am binomial, e must get two terms. Na im be the first thing wey I wan make you note, make you no forget. Number two, after this one na I go enter the Pascal Triangle. Number two of wetin I wan make you note be say if the variable if the variables are the same, if the variables are the same, then the exponent the exponents must be different. Now one big thing wey you still also note, you need to note for this binomial theorem, wetin I mean be say if the variable na all these letters of the alphabet, like all these a b c d e f, we dey call am variables for mathematics. Note that one now. So if the variables are the same, wetin dey mean be say if you get something like a plus a, if you get similar variables like this, the exponent, meaning say anything wey dey on top na im be the exponent. If you call am power, if you call am index, if you call am exponent, anything wey dey on top must be different. You no go fit come get same variable and come dey get same exponent. You go fit add am, be that. So for you to call am binomial, one, even if na the variable dem dey the same, you go make sure say get different exponent. Like here fit be 2, here fit be 3, or here fit be 1, here fit be 2, or here fit be 2, here fit be 5. Even if here na 3 like this na you no go fit add these two. Now why we go fit call this one first term, second term, we fit call this one binomial. So now the second point be that. The last point wey I go give you be say exponent must be whole number. When you dey talk about binomial theorem or binomial expansion, make sure say the exponent, I tell you wetin exponent be na this power or index. The exponent must be whole number. If I say whole number sef, if you know, likely ma put am as whole positive integer. Make you know say we get negative integer, we get positive integer. So the exponent must be whole positive integer. Wetin this one dey talk about? E mean say they no go fit be, they cannot be negative. E mean say I no go fit use negative integers. They cannot be negatives or fractions. They cannot be negative, it must be positive integers. You no go fit be like, I no go fit use like 2/3 or maybe a plus b to the power of 5/7, something like that. No. Na wetin I dey try talk be that. For you to call am binomial for this top sef, you go make sure say if they get the same this thing, like I tell you for this point b, if they get the same variables, make sure say the exponent dey different. And then the last one, I say exponent must be whole positive integer. Like 2 na whole positive integer, 3, 20, 5, all of these things na whole positive integer. Na im be wetin we dey try to let you know be that. Now for example, may I do one example before I comot. For example, if I get something like 2x, plus 7, if I get something like 2x plus 7, in this particular example, you see say our first term na 2x and our second term na 7. terms don dey separated. When you get first term, second term, the terms, you notice say the terms go dey separated either with plus, or maybe if I get 7x minus 2 like this, or maybe 5 or something. This one na first term, this one na second term. Wetin separate am na minus, na make you call term. But I no go fit get this thing 7x times 2 and I can't call this one first term, call this one second term. E no dey work like that for times. Na always plus and division, sorry, plus and minus e dey work. Division and multiplication e no dey work like that. Na things I wan make you note as I wan enter Pascal triangle for the next slide. So all these things now wey I don give you na tips for you to take enjoy binomial theorem or binomial expansion so far. So in the next slide now, I go enter wetin they call the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle go make life easier. All this long thing wey we don do like this using algebraic expansion, Pascal triangle handle am for one line. Na wetin we go dey run in the next slide. I hope you see it already. If you don already, me sef I don even ready. Oh yeah, now make we don go. Make we go right away.